This is the installation of the floor mats. I'm going to put on some gloves so I don't get poked by the bottom of the floor mats. It says you have to remove all your floor mats before starting because I guess these are made to sit down on the original floors. They have this pokey stuff that will hold them in place. And I'm thinking if you have other floor mats in there, then it might not sit properly and it might slide around. So there we go. I took everything off the floors and I'm just going to try to tuck this in here. There's a black piece that's just under the steering wheel here, and the floor mat has to go under it. I just had it on top so it wouldn't go in. Oh, it's a nice fit. Nice fit. Alright. So that went in pretty well. I'm gonna put the passenger side one in. I'm gonna try to do it from this side. Looks fine. Well, that's right. Okay. Okay, so next piece is the middle section. That should go in easy. So yeah, getting those pieces in are pretty easy because I guess this is a custom fit. I never had custom fit ones before. Also, it looks like these flaps on each side slide underneath the ones that the left and the right side. There. Oh, that's pretty easy. Alright, so I'm going to try to do the back ones. It's just one piece. So here we are. I'm just going to tuck it in this way. I'm going to do it so that these pieces here will go in first. So I'm tilting it up like this. pressing down on the mat. There. Done. That was easy. The other thing is I actually have nowhere to put the other mats that I had, so even though the instructions said to not install it on top of the other mats, I just installed it on top of the other mats. The original mats that came from BMW looked okay, but I then had spare mats that were kind of furry that I put on top of them, and then that's what these new ones are sitting on top of. So I'll just lift the camera up and show a closer view of how it looks installed. Alright, so here are the floor mats on the driver's side. It's a bit dark, but hopefully you can see that it's a really good fit. It even slides up here and then underneath this black thing here. And it covers the foot pedal, the dead pedal. And then there's the centerpiece down here, which the two flaps just go underneath the two front ones. Darn, this is not looking so bright. There's that's the passenger, front passenger. Yeah, it's this video. This part is not looking so good. There's not enough light in the garage. So this is the rear. It looks like a perfect fit, and it was easy to install. You just make sure that the part that goes underneath the seat goes in first, and then you just press on the mat and it'll go in. Yep, so there you go. I might try to film it again, this part outside, when I have the car outside, so that you can see the fit a little better. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the thumbs up. And if you like the video and you want to leave a comment, please do. Have a great day and take care.